Hello everyone. Hope you all are fit and fine. This time we are about to learn something very important. As you can see here, these are the common images of natural elements. These are having fundamental demand. Because of having huge functionalities, we can consider these elements as resources. Specifically, these are natural resources. Natural substances having the quality of fulfilling human demand is known as natural resources like water, forest, coal, petroleum, etc. Dear students, generally we can classify natural resources as renewable and non-renewable resources. Let's make it clear. Resources that can be replenished naturally in the course of time are the renewable resources. I repeat, resources that can be replenished naturally in the course of time are the renewable resources. As example, air, water, sunlight, etc. In case of these resources, the regeneration of these sources involves some ecological processes on a time scale. Let's come to the non-renewable resources. Resources that exist in limited supply and cannot be replaced if they are used up are called non-renewable resources like natural gas, coal, oil, etc. These are available in limited amount and typically take millions of years to form. I repeat, it takes typically millions of years to form. Now, my dear students, here is a chart that will show you, that will help you to have the whole thing at a glance with examples. Like in case of renewable resources, here is air, wind, water, even the tides. And in case of non-renewable resources, fossil fuel, oil, coal, natural gas. Okay, these are the examples of non-renewable resources. Now, this slide is about making difference of renewable and non-renewable resources. That will definitely help you to identify the type of resources in future. As example, I can show you that renewable resources are basically unlimited in quantity, but in case of non-renewable resources, these are limited in quantity, and most importantly, non-renewable resources are not pollution free. I repeat, non-pollution free. I mean, renewable resources are pollution free, and in case of non-renewable resources, these are not pollution free. Let's get the summary over here. What are the natural resources? Resources that belongs to nature, having the quality to fulfill human demands. Okay, these are natural resources like water, air, petroleum, coal, etc. Okay, natural resources are generally classified as renewable and non-renewable resources. Now, what are the renewable resources? The resources are unlimited in quantity. These resources are unlimited in quantity. They can be used again and again. Most importantly, these are pollution free, as example, water, forest, etc. But in case of non-renewable resources, these are limited in quantity. They cannot be used again and again. Moreover, these are not pollution free. I repeat, these are not pollution free. As example, coal, petroleum, etc. Thank you, my dear students. Have a good time.